probably heard the buzz around DeepSeek in the AI world in recent weeks. But DeepSeek is just one piece of a much bigger picture coming out of China's AI scene. Think about companies like Alibaba with their powerful Qwen family of models, and ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, who are doing some seriously groundbreaking work, particularly in the areas around multimodal models. Recently, contributions from these companies fly a bit under the international radar. And today I'm spotlighting 3 recent open source releases from Alibaba and ByteDance. The important thing is these are not just for researchers in labs. They're designed to be useful for AI teams today. The bottom line, these releases are making a real difference in both cutting-edge AI research and practical applications. Imagine automating tasks on your computer just like a human would, clicking and navigating through apps and websites. That's the promise of GUI agents. But traditionally, agents have been a bit clunky. They often rely on complicated code or need to read websites in a very technical way. Enter UI TARs from ByteDance. Think of it as a new kind of GUI agent that instead of wrestling with code, it can look directly at screenshots, just like we do when we use a computer. Now, this might sound simple, but it's actually a really smart approach that makes it work across all sorts of problems and platforms, including desktop apps, websites, and even mobile interfaces. So, why is this a big deal for AI teams? First off, UI TARs is really good. We're talking beating some of the big names like GPT-4 and Claude on complex tasks. Now, that means for you fewer errors when you're automating important workflows and less need for humans to step in and fix things. But it's not just about being accurate. This model also uses or has what they call System 2 reasoning. Think of it as being able to think through complex tasks, break them down, and even correct mistakes as it goes. So, with all of this said, this opens the door to automating much more complicated processes that were previously too risky or unreliable. And the more important thing for us is UI TARs is open source. So presumably, if you are capable of doing so, you can customize it, contribute to it, and really make it your own. And this can actually give you a competitive edge. So unlike traditional automation tools that require specialized coding for each platform, UI TARs will allow you to see interfaces the way humans do. It's really like having a digital assistant that doesn't need a manual for each new application it encounters. So the bottom line is development costs decrease, automation deployments accelerate, and your engineering talent can be redirected from babysitting brittle scripts to tackling creative challenges that drive innovation. Creating realistic animated humans in AI? Turns out this is really hard, especially getting enough data to train these systems. Think about it. You need video, audio, text descriptions of the motion, even poses. It's truly a data nightmare. But ByteDance has come up with a clever new approach called OmniHuman 1. Imagine training an animation of AI using all sorts of data all at once. Text descriptions, audio cues, even rough poses. This is the core idea. OmniHuman 1 is designed to be smart about using data that might be normally thrown away. It can learn from slightly imperfect or incomplete information. This is a big deal because it means AI teams don't need perfect, super expensive data sets anymore. They can do more with less. And get this, Omni-Human One is a single system that can handle all these different inputs that includes text, audio, images, and poses. No more juggling of separate models for each type of animation. So you can describe an animation in words, hum a tune, show a pose, or even provide a reference image. And Omni-Human One can bring it to life. So why is this significant? Well, for starters, it makes creating realistic human animations much more efficient and cost-effective. AI teams can streamline their workflows, reduce data collection, and get into high-quality results faster. Omni-Human is versatile. It can handle different body types, camera angles, and animation styles. Think about the possibilities. More lifelike virtual assistants, richer content creation tools, and more engaging entertainment experiences. The bottom line is Omni-Human One makes advanced human animation more accessible and practical for AI teams across the board. Have you ever tried to get one of these foundation models to really see like we do? By that I mean to understand images, documents, videos. It's actually a lot tougher than it looks, especially when you're dealing with real-world data, so messy documents, grainy videos, and all sorts of image formats. So this is where Alibaba's new model, Qwen 2.5 VL, comes in. Think of it as a foundation model that can handle visual information in its raw form. No need to spend ages cleaning up images or converting videos. Qwen 2.5 VL works directly with the original high-resolution data. It's not just about images either. This model can understand documents, parse tables, even break down long videos into key elements. So why is this a game changer for AI teams? Well, for starters, it will cut down on a ton of prep work. Less time wrestling with data, more time building applications. And Qwen 2.5 VL is designed to be flexible. It comes in different sizes, so you can run it on powerful servers or even small devices out in the field. So imagine, for example, using it to analyze medical images in a hospital, or process financial documents automatically, or manage inventory in a store, all with the same model. This type of versatility is huge. It means AI teams can tackle a wider range of real-world problems without needing a bunch of specialized models. So plus, Alibaba has put a lot of effort into making sure Qwen 2.5 VL is reliable, even in sensitive areas like healthcare. So, the bottom line, this model is making advanced vision AI more practical, faster to deploy, and more cost-effective for AI teams. So the main takeaway is AI in China is alive and well, and it's much more than just DeepSeek. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our newsletter at gradientflow.substack.com or leave us a tip at buymeacoffee.com/gradientflow. I'll catch you next time.